So I have done a little tutorial on how to achieve these eyes. So if you think you like the look of this, please keep on watching, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. I am so excited to share this video with you because I was kindly gifted some of the most beautiful eyeshadow quads and an eyeliner pencil from Color Bar Cosmetics, and it is honestly a dream come true. Let me just quickly talk to you a little bit about these eyeshadow palettes. Now look at how beautiful their packaging is. It kind of reminds me of the Charlotte Tilbury packaging, and it looks super expensive as well. Like, just look at how beautiful these colors are, and I really want to create a summer look with you guys. I received two palettes. This one is the Eternal Sunshine and this one is Midsummer Breeze. So both of these are so unique in their ways. This is more like a very neutral golden, a rose gold, and even it has a really nice champagne gold. This one is actually speaking to me. I'm really excited to use the blue shimmer over here. I love how there's a very muted navy blue over here as well, and a bronze, and also a really deep gold. I received this Eye Glide eye pencil from Color Bar. I'm a sucker for good pencils, and the name of it really intrigues me because something that just glides onto your skin is what you want. So I have already done my base. I have already prepped my eyebrows. All I have to do is do my eyes now. I always use an eye primer before any eyeshadows because it really makes a world of a difference. So once you've prepped your eyes, I'm going to be diving into the eyeshadows, starting off with this shade. Taking a flat brush like this is the Real Techniques shading brush, and it is quite short and dense. It's going to be great for applying really dark colors on the outsides of your wow, oh my god, that pigment is amazing. So what I'm doing is just gently patting the product in on the outside. I just want to concentrate darkest eyeshadow color on the outside. Always make sure to dust off your eyeshadow to avoid any fallout. And I'm also going to take it slightly higher above my crease, just concentrating it on the outside, and I'm gonna make like a C shape. I always like to do one step here and repeat the same step on the other eye rather than finishing one entire eye and then going in another one. With a really fluffy medium-sized brush, what I'm going to do without any product on it, I'm going to just gently buff out the edges. And as you can see, it is buffing out so nicely. So when I open my eyes, you can still see that blue. And I'm going to take it slightly inwards. Now taking the blue shade and putting it on my lid, which I am super excited for. For a shade like this, I like to use a very tiny brush. It's a tiny flat brush. I'm removing the excess and only using the side of the brush. What I'm going to do is, first of all, make sure I'm not creasing like this. I want to avoid setting my crease. Push that product. Oh my god, the pigment on this is just insane. How beautiful is this shade? I'm concentrating this mainly on my entire lid, and I'm also making sure I don't completely touch the dark blue edge because I still have to buff it out. Honestly guys, this blue is magical. So as you can see, I've left some gap here, and that is on purpose. So you know, with that same shader brush, what I'm going to do is dip my brush in it, and I'm going to go slightly a little bit higher and just buff out the edges of the shimmer shade. I'm using very little pressure and being super precise with where I'm going to be blending it in circular motions. And now I'm going to go back and intensify the outer blue because I feel like a lot of the pigment has been removed. So I'm going to apply in the same areas where we first applied our darkest blue shade. This is just going to intensify the look even further. Blend the outer edge as well. feel like I'm going to add the light gold over here. So with a tiny brush, I'm just going to pick some product up and that is such a beautiful gold color. I'm going to apply this here, but I'm also going to take it slightly higher, right above my crease, and I'm going to blend it a little bit more. Doing this in the inner corner actually opens up your eyes as well. Using the same shadows over here that we used on our top lid, we're going to be concentrating underneath the eyes as well. So using this on that same brush and really making sure I get in the little crevices over here and concentrate this product about, let's say, 3/4 of the way. I'm going to leave this portion for the darkest blue. And for the dark blue, make sure it connects well to the top as well, so it all looks very nice and seamless. With the same fluffy brush, I'm just going to make sure the edges are not too harsh. I feel like I should apply this over here as well and use my fingers to blend it out. Using the Color Bar Eye Glide pencil in the shade Blackout. Really want to see how dark this is. That is really good. So I'm gonna quickly put on some mascara and put on some lashes, and I'll be right back. So that is the finished look. There was hardly any fallout. I feel like quads can be super user friendly because you can just chuck one in your bag if you're traveling.